Hey everyone, today we were going to continue looking at atoms and elements. First, I'd like us to take a look at the periodic table. This is a typical periodic table. It's organized by metals and nonmetals. We've learned that an element is a bunch of basic substances that cannot be simplified, meaning this is as small as it gets. When we look at a specific element like calcium, we can look at the atomic number as well as the mass to see what it's made up of. Calcium is an element we have all seen before. It's in milk. Did you know about 99% of the body's calcium is stored in our bones and teeth? Let's say I took a picture of this milk and then zoomed in and kept zooming in until I saw this tiny little atom. Well, that's what we're looking at today. We can see on the periodic table that calcium is in group 2. And here it says 20 Ca 40.078. Now, let's take a look at how to draw this. I've taken the calcium box directly from the periodic table and put it on the sheet so we can focus directly on this one. Ca is the element symbol, meaning the abbreviation. 20 is the atomic number, or as we know, as the protons. And 40.078 is the atomic mass. So now let's draw the element calcium. For my atom, I will be using my iPad and pen, but I'd like you guys to get creative. You can use different colored candies or even colored rice, beans, or pasta. First, I'm going to draw the nucleus. This holds the protons and neutrons. I will put 20 protons in the center, and for the sake of space, I will just write 20p. You will draw 20 circles instead. To find how many neutrons, you will take the atomic mass and minus it from the atomic number. So here we have 40.078 minus 20. And that will give us 20.078. And when we round this to a whole number, it becomes 20. So this will give us our neutrons. We know the neutrons go in the center. To make this atom neutral, we will put 20 negatively charged electrons on the orbiting rings outside of the nucleus. The rings outside of the nucleus are constantly moving. That's why they're called orbiting. They're kind of like moving hula hoops around the center ball. So for the first ring, it can only hold 2 electrons. And for the following rings, they can hold 8 each. So on the first ring, we have 2. On the second ring, we will have 8. Which makes 10. So we need 10 more. So 8 can fit on this ring. And then on the following ring, we just need 2. All right. So I will label that these are my orbiting rings. These are my electrons. And these are already labeled as my protons and neutrons. So when you guys make your own, I'd like you to get creative. You can use Skittles. There's different colors. You can use rice or different candies, or you can even just draw it like I did. When you draw yours, you will take a look at the first, second, and third rows. Good luck.